Sairam to you all children. I will be teaching Mauryas and Kusanas. Class 8, subject is Social Science, Part 5, Chapter 7. Chapter 7. I will be teaching Mauryas and Kusanas. In this previous video, we learnt Kalinga War, Buddhism and Asoka, and inscriptions. We are going to learn about economic system during Mauryan period and social system Let us learn about economic system during Mauryan period. The lake and channel system of irrigation was good during Mauryan period. Pushyagupta, a governor during the region of Chandragupta Maurya, had built Sudarshan Sarovar. A dam is Junagadh of Gujarat. See, economic system during Mauryan period, there were evidences which prove that the lake and channel system of irrigation was good during Mauryan period. Pushyagupta, a governor during the region of Chandragupta Maurya, had built Sudarshan Sarovar, a dam in Junagadh of Gujarat. An officer's name, Tusaspa, during the region of Asoka, built the channel system for this dam. Megasthenes has recorded the existence of irrigation channels. The government was managing the agriculture sector. In this period, prisoners of war and slaves were engaged in the agriculture activities. Land tax was the main source of revenue for the state. A farmer was expected to pay 1/4 of his income as tax to the state. There were major roads connecting the different parts of the empire from Pataliputra. The capital city of Mauryas was Pataliputra. Merchants were transporting goods on these roads to sell within and outside the empire. Kuchi marked silver coins were in circulation in Mauryan kingdom. These are the economic system. These are the situation of economic system. Okay, students. Next, move on. See, social system. The social system was evolving, put up the Varna-based caste system of Vedic period. Brahmana and Kshatriya could interchange their status, though the society was divided into 4 Varnas, namely Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. In this social system, the social system was evolving out of the Varna-based caste system of Vedic period. During this period, people born higher Varna could migrate to another Varna and gain better acceptances and respect, though the society was divided in four varnas, namely Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Sudra. Several castes were also present in Megasthenes Indica. Megasthenes records the presence of seven castes in Mauryan society in his Indica. Sudras, the last in the Varna system, were employed as agricultural laborers and domestic help. Domestic help. These are the situation of social system in Mauryan period. Next, move on summary of the lesson. The lake and channel system of irrigation was good during Mauryan period. Prisoners of war and slaves were engaged in agriculture activities. Land tax was the main source of revenue for the state. Society was divided into four varnas. Four varnas. Okay, students? Namely, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Sudra. These are the summary of the lesson. Next, OMR questions. First question, what were the sources of revenue during Mauryan period? What were the social conditions during the period of the Mauryans? How did the Gupta develop a successful economy? The society was divided into dash varnas. Dash was the main source of revenue for the state. These are the homework questions. All of you do in your home and note down in your social science class workbook. Okay, students? Now I stopped this lesson. Tomorrow I will continue next part of the lesson. Sai Ram, students.